Cornwall College is represented by Justin Brackett, Devontae Hofstede, Justin Donaldson, and Alex Shaw. Jamaica College is represented by Jaheim Khoury, Mason J. Edwards, Jamarly Banton, and Marvin White. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello, everyone, and welcome to round 3 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz 2025, and the second match in tonight's doubleheader. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately. They'll receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and Jamaica College won. They decided to send Cornwall College in first. So we begin with Cornwall College. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Cornwall College, we begin with geography. Which African country is home to Mount Kilimanjaro?
Kilimanjaro. Tanzania.
Tanzania.
Correct. Geography for Jamaica College. Which country is home to Mount Fuji?
Country.
Japan.
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 Correct. International affairs for Cornwall College. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Mauritania.
Yes, and international affairs for Jamaica College. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Gabon.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Cornwall College. In which book of the Bible do we first meet the persona named Shamgar?
Judges.
Correct. Bible knowledge for Jamaica College. How many Philistines did Shamgar, a judge of Israel, kill with an ox goad?
600. 600.
Correct. Chemistry for Cornwall College. What is the formula for chromium 3 nitrite?
Nitrite.
Yes.
ITEO2. Okay. Cr, open bracket, NO2, close bracket, 3.
Correct. Chemistry for Jamaica College. What is the formula for copper 2 nitrite?
Copper 2 nitrite, you say? Cu, NO2, bracket 2.
Correct. Music for Cornwall College. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
Is Millie Small a singer?
Millie Small.
No, that's Denise Williams. Jamaica College, this is your music question. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
Singer.
It's kind of wonderful because you show me just how much you care. You've given me.
When Houston.
Whitney Houston. Whitney Houston.
Incorrect. Miss Natalie Cole. Mathematics for Cornwall College. A woman invests $4,000 for 9 months at 6% per annum simple interest rate. How much interest did she earn?
Interest. So 360 times 600. What was it?
360.
That is most definitely
$360. What do you think?
$2,160.
Incorrect. $180. Mathematics for Jamaica College. A man invests $8,000 for 3 months at 7% per annum simple interest rate. How much interest is earned?
3 months is at 4, right? So that's 20 times 7. 140. $140. $140.
That's correct. Cornwall College Theatre and Cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Calm now. Liam Hemsworth.
Correct. Good. Jamaica College Theatre and Cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Swarzy Ronan.
Incorrect. Jennifer Lawrence. In History for Cornwall College, who is credited with inventing the electric iron in 1882?
Electric iron. Oh, yeah.
Dennis Poppin.
Who?
Dennis Poppin.
Incorrect. Henry W. Seeley.
Next.
History for Jamaica College, who is credited with inventing the first handheld cell phone in 1973?
Musajiro Yamauchi. Musajiro Yamauchi.
Musajiro Yamauchi.
Incorrect. Martin Cooper. Sports for Cornwall College. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Okay. Alison Becker.
Alison Becker.
Correct. And sports for Jamaica College. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Michael Marino.
Michael
Michael Marino. Michael Marino.
Correct. Biology. And that's the bell. That signifies the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Cornwall College on 6 and Jamaica College on 6. All right, so when we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.